Ooh. Oh, goodness. Okay. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reacting to my AP test scores. So this year, due to COVID, AP tests were online and this is my first time ever doing anything like this. Well, this was the first time for everyone. So my school ended up going online like at the beginning of 2020. I feel like that's how most schools were. So it was like around spring break, like Valentine's Day, that time, you know, end of February. So it was kind of scary for me just because, I don't know, I haven't taken many AP classes before. At my school, they only really offer AP Human Geography and AP World History for freshmen and sophomores. And so as a junior, this is my first time ever taking like more than one AP class at a time. So yeah, 4 AP classes. So I just finished my junior year and the AP tests that I took, I'm going to say them in the order that I took them. I had the AP Calculus BC, and then I had AP Physics 1, and then A Push, AP US History, and then AP English 3. So I'm not expecting the best scores on these. I just went in really scared and really doubtful, and I just was not expecting anything good to come out of them. I feel like that's going to really show on my scores because since I was so scared, I was like not really thinking clearly and I didn't manage my time well on any of them, especially on the AP Calculus. So I'm gonna check them. So I've been putting it off all day. It's like lunchtime now and I still haven't checked it, so I'm going to do that now. Okay, alright, so I'm going to start once again in the order that I took them. So first, Calculus BC. So on the Calculus test, I got a 3, which is, I passed. You know, that's what matters. It's fine. It's okay. So this class in general is a harder class because it's combining Calculus AB with BC, so I was technically taking 2 math classes. So this test was supposed to be a lot easier because this test was really basically just the AB portion with some BC stuff thrown in there. So I was feeling a little better when I saw the test and all the questions because I was like, oh, okay, I know this stuff because I knew AB really well because that's like the only stuff we really learned in class. BC I basically had to learn online. So when I went in to take the Calculus BC part, I was just really scared. I did do the demos that AP Classroom offered, but I feel like I should have done more because when I first started the test, I was so scared because I did the paper and then I would take a picture and then like I'd submit it through that way. That's how I did it. And I like tried to make sure I had enough time to just like make sure it submitted well and everything. And then also this was open note. And so I thought since it was open note, it would help me because I could like look through my notes and stuff, but that actually hurt me. I knew all the formulas for calculus because I've been studying them like all year. I had them all down and in my brain. But I second guessed myself since I knew that we could have notes. I like didn't trust my brain and I decided to look through all my notes to find them. And so since I took the time to do that, I ended up actually running out of time. So I didn't finish the second question, which I feel like is why I got a 3. I'm just kind of a little sad because my friends had already told me what they got. They all got 4s. I'm over here with a 3, but it's fine. I passed, and it's not because I was really stupid. It's just because I didn't manage my time well. So it's alright. So the next test that I took was AP Physics 1, and this one I did really, really bad. I didn't even pass. I got a 2. I feel like I should be more sad about this one, but I'm just so not surprised at all. Because like in person when I was in the physics class, I was never good at it. I just couldn't understand the concepts. Like the math part I really understood well because I'm better when it comes to like math and things, but anything that's like English or like just describing things, just like the concepts, I just wasn't good at it. So physics was rough and I was gonna honestly drop out of AP Physics like the first week I was in there, but I stayed because my friend was in it. But then I found out she was gonna drop out too, but she stayed because I was in it. So I was kind of like, why didn't we just drop out together and just like do pre-AP or even regular, because I'm so bad at physics. I probably would have been so successful in regular, but it's fine. So I did pass the AP Physics class, but I didn't pass the AP test. I don't know, I don't really have anything to say because I didn't really work hard in this class at all just because I didn't have any confidence in it. I was like, okay, I stink at physics, what's the point? So I'm not really surprised, but it's fine. You know, all of my friends got 1s, it's fine that I got a 2. But then my other friend, she got a 3, so, well, she's good at physics, so that doesn't matter. So the next test that I took was the AP US History, A Push. So this one I got a 3, and I'm actually kind of surprised I got a 3 just because history has always been a little hard for me. I don't know, I just struggle to remember dates and everything and like connecting all the big ideas. It was hard for me. Like the class was easy for me, so like the only reason why I was good at AP history was surprisingly because of the multiple choice. I don't know how, but that's how I was good. So when I found out that AP US history test was gonna be an essay, I was terrified because I just am not good at essays. I always get like 1s or 2s on my DBQs, and I was like, okay, great, I'm gonna have to get like a really good score. But I got a 3, which is like good. So I'm really surprised I got a 3, and I'm actually really proud. I was expecting a 2, honestly. Essay writing was rough, but I feel like my prompt was a little better. It wasn't the best prompt. I still honestly didn't understand it, but it was better for me. I was able to like explain my way around into getting a better score, and I didn't really know what I was talking about, so it's fine. But like since I got a 3 now, I kind of wish I got a 4, but I mean, I didn't really work that hard on this. I honestly didn't work hard on any of these, and I'm really sad. So my last test that I took was my AP English class. So this one I got a 4, and this was my best score, and I don't know how I got a 4 because English is my worst subject. Actually this year physics was my worst subject, but physics doesn't count because physics was just difficult for me for some reason. Usually I'm okay at science, but in general, like if I look through all my years of schooling, English was always my worst subject. I don't know why. I'm just not good at it. You know, I love to read. I read a lot. I just for some reason cannot write an essay, and I cannot analyze an essay, and I cannot do the multiple choice. I don't know. It's hard for me. I don't know, I just was never very good at it. And for some reason I got a 4. And I feel like that's only because, so the calculus, physics, and APUSH, all those tests were back to back, basically. It was like, I just kept taking them. And so I didn't really have a break, any time to like chill and like realize that, you know, hey, maybe if I calm down, I'd be able to focus better and get a better score. Maybe I wasn't able to do that. But then for the English, I had a week break, and then I took the English test. And so during that week, I like kind of realized that if I just chilled, just like didn't waste my time, then I'd be able to like finish it and feel good. And so I did lots of practices that the teacher sent out during this week, and I just practiced a lot even though I didn't really care. I feel like that's why I got the best score, because I actually worked the hardest and prepared the most for the English. And so yeah, that's good. That's fine. So yeah, that's nice. So I'm just like kind of really sad. I really wish that I gotten a better score in the calculus one, because I was super excited for that test, and then I found out it was online, and like that just terrified me. And it was the first test I ever took, and so it was just everything, and my brain was just not there that day, because we had also just came home from a trip, and then I had to take the test. It was like 3 days of driving, and then we came home, and the next morning I had to take the test, and so I just was not ready for that one, and I'm really sad, but at least I passed. So I'm just glad I passed all of them. And then for physics, I just don't really give a crap. I don't care. Physics is, I had no expectations for physics. I honestly thought I was going to get a 1. You know, a 2 is actually pretty good considering like what I was expecting. So yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching, and it'd be really nice if you could subscribe and support me. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!